Welcome to Parsimony, your all-in-one business management solution. In this tutorial, we will explore creating a payment entry in the Accounts Receivable of Parsimony. To begin, navigate to the Accounting module by clicking on the Accounting option on the left side menu. Here, you will find various accounting features to manage your finances effectively. Let us navigate to the Accounts Receivable from drop-down menu, then click Payment Entry under Payments. By the end, you will clearly understand how to record payments accurately in your Parsimony system. In the payment entry list, you can view and manage all the payment entries recorded in Parsimony. To create a new payment entry, click on the Add Payment Entry button. In the payment entry form, you will need to provide the necessary details for the payment. Start by selecting the party type for whom the payment is being made. It can be a customer, a supplier, or an employee. Once you have selected the party type, choose the specific party from the list. Specify the mode of payment, such as cash, check, or bank transfer. Select the bank or cash account from which the payment will be made. Enter the amount that is being paid in this payment entry. If applicable, provide a reference number for this payment entry, such as a check number or transaction ID. Optionally, you can add any remarks or information related to this payment entry. Once you've entered all the necessary details, click on the Save button to create the payment entry. A confirmation message will appear, indicating that the payment entry has been saved successfully. To finalize the payment entry, you may need to submit it for approval or further processing. Click on the Submit button if required. Congratulations! You've learned how to create a payment entry in the Accounts Receivable of Parsimony. Now you can accurately record payments and maintain your financial records. Thank you for watching this tutorial.